So guys, in this part of our project, we will learn that how we can set up our front end. So what technology we are using in front end? Obviously react.js. So we will install a react.js application, we will run it, and we will make small changes on it so that we can check that everything is working fine or not. One more thing guys, for react.js, we need to install node.js also, right? Why we need node.js? Because whenever we are installing and running our react.js application, we need npm, and with the node.js, npm is already automatically installed. So guys, if you don't know how we can install node.js and how we can set up the backend of our project, then link is given in the description box. You can watch our previous video. In this video, I am not going to tell you how we have to install node.js. So now let's start with the first point and set up our react.js application for project. So on a dashboard, I created a folder with the name of e-dashboard, and here I already have a backend folder. In this backend folder, we installed our node.js and express and all. So you can see that here is our backend of our application. And now I am just installing the front-end application. So let's open the command line, and here we can just run a command npx. So you may have another question here, what is npx? What is the difference between npm and npx? So guys, we will discuss this topic in a different video because this is completely different topic. For a moment, you can just understand that whenever we are installing node.js, npx and npm, they both are automatically installed. So let's run the command npx create react app and our front end application name. So I am putting here front end, and now it will take a moment to install. So guys, don't worry, you don't need to just whenever we are creating the next video, so you don't need to just pause this video and copy the code and all. With the every video, I will give a link of that code in description box. You can just go on that link and you can copy the code and paste the code in your project, right? So that some guys actually what they are doing, that they just pause the video, then just copy the you can say that all code step by step and all. So you don't need to do that. So guys, now we are done with the installation. So let's go inside the project folder. Then we can run the command code dot. This command will open your project inside the Visual Studio Code. If you are using WebStorm or Atom or any other code editor, then this command will not gonna work. So alright, so within that time, what we can do here, we can just start our project. So let me just simply put here npm start command, and within that time, what we can just understand this project structure. Even this is a very small code, but still let's have a look. So node module, in that folder we basically install, or you can say that we keep all files and libraries related to the npm package. So whenever we need any extra library, like we need any library for validation, any library for routing and all, these all are automatically installed or saved inside this folder. In a public folder, we have basically some static files like index.html, favicon icons, and all the things. We basically do our work inside the source folder, and app.js, basically you can say that here we have the most of content. From here we start the code. So there is one more file which is index.js, but we never write any kind of code here. We basically use it for as a, you can say that, root component, right? We always start our code with the app.js, and there is some extra code also. We will remove it, but first of all, let's check the output. Here you can see that this is our project output for a moment, and I am gonna remove this extra code because we don't need that. And let's place here a h1 tag. Inside it, I am just putting here e-dashboard, and now it should be reflect on our browser, and here we can see that, right? So that's all for this video, and guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel because this is just a third video for project. In the upcoming time we will learn lots of things, how we can set up the routing, bootstrap, how we can integrate APIs and all. We will make a complete project, as you know, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe and please provide your valuable comments also.